you'll be looking for how to transfer coin from one wallet to another and it's becoming difficult for you. All right, in this video I'll be teaching you how to send coin from one wallet to another. Right, you want to send your coin to somebody, so what do you do? First of all, okay, sorry, we are going to be using KuCoin. We're going to be using Bybit. We'll be using Bybit. Okay, and then this is Bybit. If you open your Bybit wallet, we have done a video on how to buy and sell coin. The link is on the description, and how to set up your Bybit. You can go through my channel to learn that. Now, in this video, I'll be teaching you how to send coin from one wallet to another. And this time around, we are going to be sending core from one wallet to another. All right. First of all, you have to buy the core. Watch my video on how to buy and sell a coin. All right. If you buy the core, you click on asset. You click on asset. Now, when you click on asset, this is my asset. You click on it. If you click on it, now before you can send a coin, you must make sure that that coin you want to send is on funding. It must be on funding. It must not be on unified trading. Unified trading is the market. Funding is your home. You have to bring the coin home before you can send it to anybody. All right. So first of all, we transfer. If your own is in funding, you have to transfer it. You click on funding and then click on that core. I already have my core here. Okay, watch my video on how I bought the core. So I have my core here. So what do? I click transfer. Transfer is down here. Click transfer. Then I am transferring it from unified trading. I'm transferring it from unified trading to funding. All right. So, and I want to transfer everything. Transfer everything. Okay. Then it is successful. Now, I will now go to that place I want to, that wallet, or maybe the person sent you the wallet address. You go and copy that wallet address. But me, I want to send it to myself. Okay, I want to send it to my MetaMask. So I go to my MetaMask. I open my MetaMask wallet. If I open my MetaMask wallet, I put in my password. I'm supposed to log in with. Okay, let me put in my password. Let me put in my password. Okay. All right. So now, first of all, please, you must make sure that you are on core blockchain. I've already taught you how to download and set up your MetaMask and then how to import the core blockchain. Please, if you have not watched the video, make sure you watch the video. All right. So the next thing you are going to do is you click on the core. Look at the core here. This is the core. You click on it. If you click on it, it opens. Then you click on receive. You are not sending, you click on receive. I want to receive it here. Then the next thing you do is to go ahead and copy this wallet address. This is your wallet address here. You copy the wallet address, okay? So you copy the wallet address, copied. Then you go over to where you want to send it from. You go over to, I'm going back to my Bybit. So go back to my Bybit, go to my assets. Okay, so I go back to my assets. Then I'll click withdraw. See withdraw here. I want to withdraw the money. Yes. Click withdraw. Click on the withdraw. Then select the call that you want to transfer. Select the call. Then they will now ask you to put in the wallet address. This is where you put in that wallet address you copied. So you click there, click and hold it. Paste to come out. You paste it. Then you see that they show that this is a core network. Make sure that this is on a core network. Then I want to transfer everything. I'll click on this max because I want to transfer everything. So I click on max. Immediately I click on max, I click withdraw. come down and click withdraw. So you click confirm. Now you put in your trading password. Let me put in mine. Put in your trading password. Then I put in your Google Authenticator. I use Google Authenticator. Some you do use SMS this thing, one-time password. Sorry about that. SMS one-time password, but I like using Google Authenticator password 254346. Okay, you confirm. You see, this is successful. We have withdrawn it. And I think their charge is not much. I should have told you the charge. That's the mistake I made anyways. I should have shown you the charge. Oh, and it's not written here. Okay, oh, see their fee. See their fee. Their fee is 0.001 core. So it's not really that much. And then I want to advise you before I close up this thing. Anytime you want to send coin to an exchange, I told the difference between an exchange and wallet. Okay, want to send it to an exchange. An exchange, example is your your Binance, your KuCoin, the Bybit. Anytime you want to send a coin to an exchange, okay, don't send USDT. It is expensive. Sometimes they charge 2 USDT. Sometimes they charge 1 USDT, 3 USDT. I advise you send it as a THRON. I've taught you how to buy and sell coin. So use that USDT of that amount of USDT you want. Use it. You want to send for the person. Use it and buy THRON. Then send THRON to that person. When that THRON gets to that person's wallet, the person can now swap it back to USDT and then use it and buy whatever he or she wants to buy. All right. That is trying to limit your charge. So that is it. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So it's very simple. Let us check if it has landed. It will take just a little while and then it will come. Then the next video, I'll be teaching you how to use that core now to buy those coins I want to recommend you to buy. That will give you at least 1000% of your investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.